Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're taking a hard look at a global problem: car crashes on our main roads. Every year, millions of lives are affected by car accidents. From busy highways in the United States to narrow roads in developing countries, road safety remains a major global concern. But what are the main reasons behind these accidents? What can we do to prevent them? And how do these tragedies impact society? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about regions where road fatalities are alarmingly high. According to the World Health Organization, the highest road traffic fatality rates are found in Africa. Factors like poor road infrastructure, lack of enforcement of traffic laws, and older, less safe vehicles contribute significantly. In many developing nations, rapid urbanization without adequate road planning exacerbates the problem. Southeast Asia and parts of the Middle East also have disproportionately high crash rates. Overpopulation mixed with poor infrastructure is a deadly mix. Now, let's look at some specific hotspots. For example, India has a massive road network, but it also has one of the highest numbers of road fatalities globally. The sheer volume of traffic, a mix of vehicles from bicycles to trucks, and varying levels of driver training contribute to the problem. In the United States, while infrastructure is generally better, high-speed highways and distracted driving are major concerns. Also, certain highways like the Pan American Highway are notoriously dangerous due to their length, varying conditions, and remote locations. Let's break down the main causes. Speeding. Speeding is another huge problem. The faster you go, the less time you have to react. Driving over the speed limit reduces reaction time and increases the severity of accidents. Common on highways due to higher speed limits and open roads. Distracted driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs remains a significant problem in many countries. Using mobile phones, eating, or adjusting the radio diverts attention from the road. Drunk driving. Poor road conditions. Potholes, unmarked lanes, and lack of traffic signals contribute to accidents. Poor road infrastructure, including inadequate lighting, lack of safety barriers, and potholes, also plays a role. Mechanical failures. Brake failures, tire blowouts, and engine malfunctions can lead to sudden crashes. Finally, lack of enforcement of traffic laws and inadequate driver training contribute to the problem. Weather conditions. Fog, rain, and snow reduce visibility in road grip, increasing accident risks. Tailgating. Following too closely leaves no room to react in case of sudden braking. This is especially dangerous on highways with fast-moving traffic. Reckless driving. Examples include frequent lane changes, weaving through traffic, or cutting off other vehicles. Aggressive drivers often cause multi-vehicle accidents. Fatigue. Driving while drowsy, especially on long highway trips, reduces alertness and reaction time. Can lead to drifting out of lanes or missing crucial signs. Improper lane changes. Failing to signal, checking blind spots, or cutting across multiple lanes can lead to collisions. Vehicle defects or maintenance issues. Tire blowouts, brake failures, or other mechanical problems can cause sudden loss of control. Poorly maintained vehicles are more prone to accidents. Road hazards. Debris, potholes, or uneven surfaces can force sudden maneuvers, leading to crashes. Construction zones are particularly hazardous on highways. Poor road design. Sharp curves, inadequate signage, or confusing merges can increase accident risks. Inexperienced drivers. New drivers may struggle with high-speed merging, lane changes, or other highway challenges. Highway accidents are often preventable with careful driving, adherence to traffic rules, and proper vehicle maintenance. So, what can be done? Investing in better road infrastructure, stricter enforcement of traffic laws, and public awareness campaigns are crucial. While car accidents are common, many can be prevented. Here's how we can reduce the risks. Strict traffic regulations. Governments must enforce speed limits, DUI penalties, and mobile phone bans. Public awareness campaigns. Educating drivers about road safety through ads and workshops can save lives. Improved road infrastructure. Better roads, clear signages, and proper lighting can significantly reduce accidents. Advanced vehicle safety features. Modern cars now have automatic braking, lane assistance, and collision alerts. Encouraging public transport. Reducing private car dependency can lower accident rates in congested areas. Emergency response systems. Faster medical assistance can reduce fatalities in case of accidents. Road safety is a shared responsibility. By understanding the risks and taking action, we can make our roads safer for everyone. Road safety is a shared responsibility. By understanding the risks and taking action, we can make our roads safer for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Drive safe.